Hi, my name is Michelle and I've been teaching yoga over 20 years. And so over the next few videos, I'm going to show you 5 poses that you can do in the mornings when you get up. This will energize your body after you've been sleeping and your organs are stagnant, your blood is, in the same place. And so this will be an up and down movement and it will help things get flowing and energized for the rest of your day. So the first one is called a sun salutation. Surya Namaskar is the way it is said in Sanskrit. So it starts off standing, and there are many ways that it can be modified. So I'll guide you along those as well. You just be careful. Start with your feet all the way together and your hands at your heart. This is called mountain pose. Inhale, stretch up, lean back. Exhale, swan dive down. And watch, I'm just going to put my hands on my legs. You can stop anywhere you need to or take your hands all the way down. Inhale to lift up halfway. As you exhale, you step back so that you're at the top of a push-up in a plank position, which can also be done onto your knees. You bend your elbows, lower down halfway. Inhale, scoop up into upward facing dog. Tops of your feet are down, toes are pointed back. You're on your knees if you need to modify. Tuck your toes under, stretch your hips up and back into downward facing dog pose. This is a very common pose done in most all yoga practices. Feet are a few inches apart. Hips are up high. You can always keep your knees slightly bent. Neck is relaxed so you're looking back behind your feet. Inhale, lift your head, look forward and step to your hands. Exhale as you fold down. Inhale, sweep back with your arms, reach up and look up. Exhale, bring your hands down into your heart. Tadasana, mountain pose. That is Sun Salutation A, and I hope you follow along for the 5 poses that I'll give you. This was Surya Namaskar A. Have a great day.